Hi, before we officially get started with our book study of The Foundation Volume 1, I wanted to make sure that everybody knew how to access the text within Teaching Strategies. So just in case you happen to leave your book somewhere, but you have your laptop with you and you want to be able to read, you can access the text in Teaching Strategies. So when you come into ClassLink, you can just search at the top for Teaching Strategies and open up your window. When that opens, you'll come to your home page. And you have two places that you can go to find the text. You can either go up here at the top where it says library, or you can come right here on the center part of your screen where it says explore the library. So I'm going to click library at the top. And this is where you'll also go to find any of your studies, your Mighty Minutes, any of the resources that are available in hard copy. You guys also have digitally. But over on the right-hand side, you'll come over to Foundation Volumes. And right here is Volume 1, The Foundation. And from here, you can use the index on the left-hand side to scroll through and find specific areas. Within the chapters, you can scroll on the side. So please feel free to use this as needed as you're completing this independent book study. Thanks very much.